YouTube, this is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update on, I've done a couple videos on this one before, ALYI. It's a EV play, it's Alternate Systems Incorporated. They have electric motorcycles. So they are actually into a couple different things. They focus on digital payment and data analytics, micro segmentation, and marketing intelligence. Company delivers technology solutions to financial organizations that manage a range of payment channels, including developing engines that extend the capabilities of processing across the all capture devices, such as point of sale, mobile phones, tablets, personal computers, and web-based applications. And like I said, they have the electric vehicles or electric motorcycles. They've just did the Revolt Token, including electric and digital payments. Been around since 2002. Here's kind of what they've done over the last month. Since I talked about them last, looks like the last time I talked about them was on March 5th, and it was at 4 cents, so they've almost doubled. Well, they have doubled and then some, but so kind of since I talked about them last time on the 5th, it was 4 cents and it ran up to 19 and been trading kind of flat here. So this company's got a lot going on for it. Here's an article just as of today. ALYI electric motorcycle demonstration generates a new investment and partnership interest. And Dallas, Texas, today announced that it has received a new investment proposal intended to fund a specific opportunity, expanding the company's overall electric vehicle ecosystem vision and strategy. And we'll go ahead and watch a video here in a moment. The investment proposal and corresponding expansion of the electric vehicle ecosystem announced today is the first and near completion of a number of new opportunities now in ALYI's business development pipeline. So I've been watching this company for a while. The first video I did on them was at January 31st. Looks like it was 4 cents at the time. Covered it again on March 4th. It looks like it was 7. In regards to the Revolt token that they released. And now this information comes out. So feel free to pause and go over the rest there for yourself. And this is just kind of a look at the quotes, kind of what's been going on here with it in the last month. And it's just been kind of up and down, up and down. Here's an actual video of release of the electric motorcycle. There's no talking, it's just music, so you're not really missing anything on the audio part of it. Kind of a interesting looking motorcycle. I've went over the website on some of my past videos, and I'll go ahead and link all those in the description so you can watch those as well, get a little bit more in depth on the company. But as you can see, this video was just released on March 19th. It's kind of an interesting looking bike, kind of old school, if you will. So just a quick little video. So sustainable energy storage applications, and this is their website, has developed a comprehensive long-term electric mobility business strategy focused on rapidly expanding into the market of sub-Saharan Africa. The strategy begins with the production of ALYI's proprietary Revolt electric motorcycle designed for a rugged environment and to support the multi-passenger rideshare industry in Africa already recognized by Uber and Lyft. ALYI has evolved from managing the evolution of a portfolio patented lithium technologies and maintains initiatives in alternative energy storage research and development and in the energy storage needs specific to military applications. And here you can see, and I would suggest you go into their website. It's alternatesystemsinc.com. Here it goes over some of their batteries, the electric vehicles, the electric Revolt motorbike, and some military apps. And this is kind of my understanding, even though it is a BMW, this is kind of what they're trying to tailor their look after, kind of a old school looking bike, which I feel is still kind of cool looking. But Revolt electric motorbikes has been developed through a multiple pilot phases. Industrial engineering firm is currently designing the manufacturing capacity to mass produce the Revolt electric motorcycle. So again, with all the EVs hitting the market, and this is just another one to look at. There's not too many out there making motorcycles, and like I said, I've made a couple videos about this one already. But go ahead and check out their website. There's a lot of good information on it. This is just another look at the price. ALYI details overall electric vehicle strategy following a recent electric motorcycle demonstration, and this is kind of after the fact on March 23rd. Today published a strategic update following the recent release of the first ever video demonstration of ALYI's Retro Revolt electric motorcycle to emphasize where the electric motorcycle fits into ALYI's overall business plan. And this just kind of goes over that information. So that video was released on the 19th. This is done on the 23rd. And feel free to pause and read over that information there for yourself, or else you can go to prnewswire.com and find this information for yourself. But their technology and transportation paradigm leapfrog opportunity. So it's kind of interesting. Africa is the best technology leapfrog opportunity, while the United States and Europe must phase out old technologies and paradigms. Africa can leap ahead to introduce technologies and paradigms where no legacy must first be phased out. Brand name electric vehicle race partnership. First electric vehicle paradigm transformation motorcycle taxis in Africa. First electric vehicle ecosystem partnerships. And this kind of goes over the Revolt electric motorcycle a little bit more in depth, and the cryptocurrency part of their would be the Revolt Token. That was my last video about them. Established another partnership with a new organization named Revolt Token. So they're in quite a few different things. And this kind of goes over how to purchase Revolt Token. There's the website. ALYI confirms Revolt Token redemption for electric motorcycle option. This is dated on March 25th. With its finance partner Revolt Token, today confirmed plans for the Revolt Token holders to have the option to redeem Revolt Tokens for ALYI electric motorcycles. The announcement today follows ALYI's recent release of the first ever video demonstration of ALYI's Revolt electric motorcycle, and we already watched the video. Here's just it again. The Revolt motorcycle currently has 200 orders and is growing. A wait list for the new edition. The Retro Revolt electric motorcycle is the first of more models expected in the future. And so I'm going to try to stay on top of this one, as they have a bunch of information just released here just as of recently. The current purchase price of the US is $1 for a Revolt Token, which is delivered to an ERC20 compatible wallet of your choice, the Trust Wallet. And again, this goes over how to purchase Revolt Token. You can find this on Yahoo Finance. And here's just kind of some more information on how the prices went up. Stock rocketed higher last week as continuing higher, and again it just kind of goes over some of the same information we've already touched on here. Motorcycle to market by July is what they're projecting. The video supported by a product update sent shares soaring and pushed against its first line of resistance at 10 cents per share. So it's still pretty cheap. You could still get into this one. I mean, throw 10 to 20 bucks at it. That's what I do. Again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, but just bringing some stocks your way to think about. But that's sometimes what I do with these. The chart indicates that a move through that level could extend gains back towards its high of 20 cents made in February. Beyond a Revolt production update, several potential near-term catalysts could make that happen. In fact, ALYI advancing several value-creating deals, a surge could come sooner rather than later. So again, another one to watch, another one to put on your watch list. And motorcycle demonstration generates new investment and partnership interest, and we already went over this information. Just another look at it on Yahoo Finance. I'll kind of scroll through it. Kind of goes over the video. If you'd like to pause and go over this, I'll slowly scroll through it in case you want to read it again. Otherwise, you can find it on Yahoo Finance. Back to Reddit. Revolt Token, all press releases, no product. Explaining their vision to the moon. Is all talk and other announcements. I've run into that from time to time. They say it's all talk, no action. I've read where this one is a potential scam, but they've had a lot of information come out just here in the last 2 to 3 weeks, and the stock price has more than doubled. So, but I continue to watch this one, and here you can see 8 cents on StockTwits. With the news out today, is it still red? It's always exciting to hear of a possible partnership. And a lot of this information we already went over here. So, just come across some of that information and thought I would point that out to you. And I know the other videos that I made were pretty popular. A lot of people are watching this one, alternate systems. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing. That would really help out the channel. And hit that bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. And if there's any others you want me to cover, go ahead and put those in the comments as well. Again, this is Jay Money, following Ford Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.